So let's talk a little bit more about the numbers. What are the typical interest rates for your loans?
Our interest rates range from about 10.5%, 10.99, all the way up to 12.5% at this point in time.
And has, let's say, over the last few years, from maybe 2017 to 2022, most other lenders in the private lending space have been somewhere around 8 to 10% interest. What do you say to investors that are looking at your interest rates as being higher? Why does that make sense?
I'm going to answer this in a couple different ways. Number one is that our cost of money structure is different. A lot of our competition gets their money from third party sources, whether that be Wall Street, insurance companies, or something different. All right, and their cost of money is different. Because I offer the 100% loans, I cannot sell my loans to Wall Street. Nobody wants my loans. We keep them all on our balance sheet. So we have private investors that are willing to take on that risk, and they afford a different pay scale back to them as well. So the fact is that what I say to a typical investor that is comparing me to an 8 to 9% interest rate, the fact is that a lot of those customers are paying a minimum of 10% down in the past. Now they're paying 20% down. But that 10% down that they're paying, the fact is that they cannot make that up based on an interest rate difference in 12 months period of time of 1 or 2%. The fact is that my rates during that period of time were between, again, 10.5, 12% versus a 9% loan. And the reality is the monthly payment. What would you rather pay? Would you rather pay an $800 per month loan, okay, or a $1,200 per month loan, okay, but save $20,000 at the closing table? The math is pretty simple. That $400 over 12 months difference doesn't make up the difference. So it's better for a customer, in our opinion, to have more cash in your pocket up front, okay, and not have to turn around and put out all of that cash out of your pocket, and the interest rate is really just a function of the investment.
And that means by having more cash on hand, that means I could do more projects, right?
100%. Most of our customers, especially for those that are experienced, will take that extra cash and invest in multiple projects at once.